We're going to go to the most extravagant 18-year-old Sicilian boy's birthday party you've ever been to. I'm going to go pick some oranges later on, back to our garden center to buy some plants, to the car wash, and so much more.
Let me just say this. We have a live studio audience today, and you're going to meet our guests also in a little bit. So stay tuned.
And there's the birthday boy, 18 years old, and Massimo. You guys have seen Massimo before, right? There's Papa Zapala and Esther.
I think that it's a special day because it started a new chapter of my life.
For work, what do you want to do?
I will want to study law.
Like your dad?
Like my dad, yes, but he is a lawyer. While I want to be a magister,
A judge?
a judge. I want to be I want to be a judge in the future. I know that it is difficult, but I will work hard to achieve this aim in my life.
And what are your hobbies?
Hobbies, I go to the gym 4 times a week, and in the past I played football. I do kickbox, box, judo, and a lot of martial arts. And
Wow.
now I go only to the gym, and sometimes I play football with my friends.
Happy birthday to you.
Thanks.
And we are so happy to be here. Okay, Carola, take a look at this girl over here. She's 15 years old.
In inglese?
Wait a second. Yes, in English.
Okay.
What are your passions?
My passion is dancing. I love sing.
Singing, see?
Yes. And stop.
And that's it? And what's your favorite subject in school?
Story.
History.
Yes.
And what do you want to do when you grow up? When you are older, what work do you want to do?
Avvocato.
A lawyer, like her dad?
Yes. Or giudice.
A judge?
Yes. Or psychology.
Psychologist.
Yes.
Wow. You are looking at an upcoming girl over here. Fai un giro. Look at that. 15 years old.
Yes.
Saluta tutti.
Bye.
Okay, there's the mom. The proud mom. She was just telling me how emotional she is that her son is turning 18. I've known these people for a long, long time. Oh, now with his sister. What a beautiful family. Mamma, stai contenta?
Sì, very, very.
Very, very. Massimo, are you happy? How do you feel?
Very, very happy and very proud of them.
I am so proud of you, and congratulations to Daddy. So so Carola just told me she wants to be an avvocato.
A lawyer? Oh,
Oh, is this news for you?
yes, it is the first time that I hear this news.
You hear it from me, me and Sicily first.
Good to know.
Buono. And this is the scene at midnight. We're going home.
Today, I'm doing my quintessential with no hat on. Yeah. And I'm doing this in tribute to my law partner, Massimo Grimaldi, and the mother of his children, Anna Privatera. I had the privilege of going to the 18th birthday of Massimo. Now, you just think it's a birthday party, but you have to understand that I've been here over 20 years, and I've been to every single event in the Privatera family and the Grimaldi family for the two kids. I've been to christenings, Holy Communions, family funerals. So these folks that you saw in the video today are essentially my extended family. And the operative word here is character, because the Grimaldi family with Massimo has instilled in both those kids, Mazzio and Carla, character. Okay? It's the most important attribute that a Sicilian person could have, character. And the Privatera family, which is a family essentially of lawyers and engineers and building constructors, also have emphasized character. So when people talk to you about Sicilians, when people talk to you about mafia, when people talk to you about things that they have no business yakking about because they really don't know what the situation is, my opinion is the following. Come here for 20 years, meet the families, and experience countless family get-togethers with the people to know the essence of these people. I was proud and I'm privileged to have gone to Mazzio's 18th birthday, and guess what? I'm going to go to his graduation when he becomes a judge. Ciao.
So Al, I didn't realize that turning 18 was such a big deal here in Sicily. For us, it's turning 16, right?
Well, 16 is big, but 18 means you're officially an adult. And Mazzio, like I said in my quintessential, it's all about character and what is instilled by the parents into the children. And Mazzio and Carla are very fortunate to have two giant oaks that keep the kids straight in the narrow. And he's going to be a judge. And for those of you who think about, what do you mean being a judge? Here in Italy, you go to law school for a few years, and then you go to judge school, and you have to pass a very rigorous examination. So you can literally be be a judge at a very young age. And you know what I like about it? There's no politics involved.
And let me tell you what really impressed me about talking to Carola, Matteo, and some of the other kids, that they're so hyper-focused on their studies. They know at 15 what she wants to do, and she is very good at all those subjects. Her dad was telling me that she's very good at law. I said, they teach law already when they're 15? Yes, they teach law in school. So that was very good. And they're not the only children. Most of the children that I know here, they're very driven. They're very focused on education, on, yes, extracurricular like sports and music, but they also have a vision of where they want to go, what they want to do, and they are laser focused. Let me tell you that. Now, notwithstanding that, of course, everyone had their phones and social media like any other teenager, but for some reason they really struck me. You've been working with Massimo now over 20 years.
Over 20 years. And the children, as I said in the piece, I've seen every single significant event in their life.
Yeah, that's a lot.
They call me Zio. They call me Uncle. It was just a very emotional time for me.
All right, now we're going to go run some errands, including picking up some vegetables, getting back to our garden center, to the car wash, and we'll see. Oh, and wait till you see the traffic jam we ran into.
First and foremost, I want to show you this lovely leather bag made in Italy. Guess who got it for me? Our friend James, who's here now. This is the most beautiful purse I've ever had, hands down. So thank you, James. And now I want to show you into our gardens. Look at that, fava beans. They're humongous over here, and over here behind me, they just told me that they're going to be planting the eggplants, the tomatoes, the basilico, And now we're just finishing up with the purple cauliflower and the artichokes. All right, so I asked him for blood oranges over there in the little shop. He said, we don't have any, but let's pick some. Okay, so now I'm gonna pick them myself.
Vedi qua,
Ready?
fai così.
Okay. There's a whole maneuver over this. You have to kind of go like this with your fingers. Guarda. Ooh, this came out. Okay, it's not every day that you get to pick oranges. Come chiama questa?
Arancia.
No, arancia.
No, that's
Novellino?
Sanguinello.
Sangonello. Okay, so there's the Novellino,
Tarocco,
Tarocco.
Sanguinello.
So there you go. I wish you guys could smell this. Grazie. E guarda.
Allora, questi in centro. Questi limoni dolci.
Sì.
Limoni dolci.
E come chiama questa limone?
Vaniglia.
Vaniglia.
Vaniglia. Ce n'è pochi, sono buonissimi, ma ce n'è pochi però.
Now here's something about me.
È proprio, butta.
It's very sweet. I drink lemon water every single day. First thing before even I have my coffee. You guys had so many positive things to say about our garden center here that we decided to come back because we just need to buy some more flowers, and why not come with us? This is a typical flower center here in Sicily. Not only flowers, but they also have herbs and also lettuce and lemon trees and olive trees and many other things. So we're back here, so take a look. We're getting some herbs?
Yeah, I'm getting parsley and I'm getting rosemary. What's that?
Here's your garlic.
Garlic?
Garlic?
No.
No, we just needed two for up here. That's all.
Do you need sage? Now those are for you guys, right? Come on.
This is the name of the place. Viva Reitana. And listen to this. Last week when we published a video from here, one of our viewers wrote saying, where did you guys go? That's such a beautiful garden center. And I told her Reitana's, and she came here and bought some plants. And so today when we came to visit, the owner said, oh, someone came here that saw your video and bought a bunch of plants. How fun is that? I love that. James, what do we got here?
Well, we've got Gibera daisies, we have chrysanthemums, and they're a hybrid of daisies and chrysanthemum. Then we have parsley and rosemary, but we don't have time, so we can't sing parsley, sage, rosemary on time.
And that's what you call a Sicilian traffic jam. Right 2 minutes from our house.
5 sheepdog. 5 Esther.
Questo è nuovo qui, huh?
Lampone.
This is a brand new product here at our coffee place. Bubble tea. Sylvia, bubble tea is good, she says. Okay, let's see how they make it.
Lampone ha detto.
Lampone.
Solo lampone di solito vanno abbinati, si fanno in 2 gusti, si fa lampone, solo lampone?
Sì, solo lampone.
Gli metto un po' di ananas?
Sì. A little bit of pineapple as well. Now, have you guys ever seen anything like this? Look what it looks like.
Ora,
Okay, now.
come sciroppo cosa mettiamo? Possiamo mettere
Limone, anche limone.
Limone. What kind of syrup?
raspberry, lampone. Quindi, come sciroppo come vuoi. Questo?
Lampone.
Solo lampone?
Sì.
E poi?
E poi? Acqua?
Questo è tè verde.
Tè verde. Buono. Green tea. E ghiaccio? Look, this is what it looks like. E ghiaccio, no?
Già è ghiacciato.
Ah,
Già esce a 0 gradi.
Perfetto. It's already comes out cold.
Voilà. Un lampone, ananas.
Here's something you don't see very often. We're getting our car washed. Auto lavaggio. They're excellent here. This is our car. We're gonna start the vacuuming process. Oh, I can't wait. Buongiorno. Ciao. And then this is the last step. Comes out nice and shiny. Everyone's in a good mood here. I need sunglasses. Look at this.
Now is our section where we have a commercial. Yes, we have a commercial. Commercial.
Am I getting up?
Commercial. No, you can stay right there.
Well, I have the swag, folks.
It's called merchandise.
She calls it merchandise. Elle and I call it swag.
Move over. This is just one of the shirts you can see down there in our merchandise. We also have aprons, sweatshirts, little bags, hats, so many things. So that's in our merchandise. And welcome to James. And happy birthday to James. Wait till you see what we had for dinner for his birthday.
This
How
is
old
the
are you?
living
59?
legend. Jimmy,
10 plus.
this is Jimmy
This
Ingram.
is the
You
Jimmy
folks
Ingram
that
we always
tune
talk
in
about.
every week. We
I'm
always talk
here.
about James, and he just rented an apartment in Monte Santa Stasia, and he's staying with us for a few days before he goes over there, and he's going to be assisting.
Now listen,
Esther.
here's what I have to say about this guy. He's been talking about coming here and staying here for a elongated time, for a long time. And guess what? He made it happen. He made it happen. He found an apartment. He's got a car. He's got all his papers in line. And ching ching to next 3 months.
And folks, the two best people in Sicily sitting right here in front of you.
I want to show you what Jimmy brought for us. First of all, he brought me some Altoids spearmint flavor, which is not available here. Second of all, he went by, what is it called, BJ's or Sam's
Something.
Club. He bought me a 4-pound box of Dunkin' Donut regular grind
He brought me
coffee.
some too.
He bought her some
And
too.
he brought me some gum, besides the beautiful purse that you saw.
But I want to show you this. This is called the Cheetah. This is a Japanese whiskey.
Can I hold it up?
And I couldn't,
And look, he couldn't help himself. He already drank in one sitting. How much?
I keep on telling it 2 fingers, all right? But for some reason, it looks like a quarter of the bottle is gone.
And
this one is a spirit from the American West in the state of Montana, Ennis, Montana.
On the Madison River.
On the Madison. This is the only company that makes that. It's infused
And
with
honey.
a little bit of honey.
And it
so
says
that's gonna be the next one. Moonshine.
But James said, here, come a little bit lower, James. That it's on the border of whiskey. So if you guys know, Alfred loves his whiskey.
And then
So
finally,
thank you very much.
Wait a minute. Finally, in tribute to Robert Duvall, I have my Apocalypse Now hat. Now I'm going to get the 7th Calv over there, and then I'm going to wear it. Look at this hat that James brought for me.
That
so, Jimmy,
is styling.
welcome to Sicily. We're
Well,
glad that
thank
you're
you
here.
both. And remember, folks, the swag.
On that point, now returning to our regularly scheduled program.
Here's the birthday pool. And do you guys remember Jody? We haven't had Jody on for a while. She's made the big move here, and now she's in Ispica. And here we are. Oh, by the way, this is Harmonium from Viriato here in Sicily. And you guys know who has this, right? winesfromitaly.com. Ciao, Daniel. And
I'm Alfred Zappala, and I'm from Lawrence, Massachusetts. And you don't get anything free from me, though.
And we got the calamari. Okay, there's the Luciana. Okay.
No, this is very different.
This was so good last time. We came back again. And Birthday Boy is drinking.
I am drinking Harmonium. This, folks, is a dynamite Nero d'Avola from Mount Etna. And you can order it through winesfromitaly.com. And
Free shipping if you purchase 150 or more.
Happy birthday to you.
Grazie a tutti.
We have some room open in our June tour of the West Coast, June 6 to 16. It's going to be a great time. James is going to be there too. We're going to go to Palermo, Monreale, Segesta, San Vito lo Capo, Menfi, Trapani, Vineyard, ricotta tasting, cooking demo, and so much more. And then we have our Tuscany tour in September, and it's going to be rustic Tuscany, off the beaten path. You're going to go to a couple vineyards, cooking demo as well, and see the beautiful area. And stay tuned, because our new website, www.youmeandsicily.com, will be unveiled pretty soon. We do have that site right now. And our 2024 tours are going to be up on the new site in just a little bit, so stay tuned.
That's a lot of stuff there, Brunster. Huh? Wowza. But seriously, that Tuscany tour is going to be a magnificent tour. It's in September. That's best time to go to Tuscany. The vineyards will be there for sure. It's rustic. It's not like, if it's Tuesday, it must be Florence type of thing. Are you guys, I heard you guys are going to a place like some type of a spa?
There, we have a spa, and also at the place we're staying at, there's a little spa, so there's opportunity for that.
Why not?
Why not?
Okay.
Well, that was a little bit of a goulash hodgepodge mix, or whatever you want to call it in this video, but we hope you enjoyed running around with us, meeting our friends, and enjoying all the good food.
Speaking about food, you know why we brought James here? There's only one reason. Because he is going to barbecue fresh sausage today, and Esther's going to make
Stuffed artichokes.
Stuffed artichokes.
It's barbecue time. Look at this beautiful place that we have here, and we're listening to Il Volo on this amazing April day.
I'm not
We
going to have
got
to do
this
anything.
barbecue, okay, 3 years ago. Do you know how many times Alfred's used it? 5.
No, today will be 6, okay? So if you cost amortize it over 6 years, it's not going to be a bad thing. But anyways, I want to say, welcome, James. We're going to see the people starting to come next week. Our tour business is booming. And Sebenadigo.
Arrivederci, alla prossima. Ciao.
Ciao.